Hi guys, and welcome to the Mastering Mobile Marketing video series. My name is Tasha and I'm an account manager here at Yodel. Think all things user acquisition, planning, campaign management and reporting. Today I'm going to talk to you about paid user acquisition and give you an idea of what you can gain and how effective it can be in promoting an app. Paid user acquisition is key in the mobile app space and a great step towards building a strong user base. Paid user acquisition is when mobile app owners pay for mobile placements across social channels, in-app and mobile web. Advertising on mobile can be done through a number of ways. We could use video formats, gamified units, native ads, full and mid-page units. It's much more sophisticated than the old school banners and pop-ups that we're used to. Let's say I have my very own lifestyle app, tailored around yoga, healthy eating and all things zen. I like to increase its user base and be a real contender in a specific vertical space. My app has been launched and ready to be enjoyed by all, but it's important that I have a paid user acquisition strategy in place. As I mentioned, it is great at scaling and solidifying your user base, and most importantly, it should be part of a wider marketing strategy. Be sure to check out our videos on retention and engagement strategies. This is a key prerequisite before implementing paid acquisition. In my case, I need to plan my campaign carefully with regards to location, audience, device type, campaign length, and most importantly, budget. For my app, I'm willing to spend £50,000 this month to acquire over 3,000 users and for them to complete their first yoga routine. I want to target Android and iOS users in the UK. Now that I have my budget in place, it's important that I determine my target audience. This is because I want to ensure that I'm spending my money on high intent users who are most likely going to have high long-term value. So in my case, I want to target young professionals, health enthusiasts between 18 and 35. Now the question is, where do I find these people? The mobile ecosystem is made up of a number of players. We have agencies, DSPs, SSPs, ad networks, location and video partners, premium publishers, and social channels, for example. With user acquisition, it is vital that we determine the best possible combination of channels to use and how much budget to allocate. For example, social channels may offer more cheaper acquisition costs and offer volume in comparison to more premium publishers who have high intent niche audiences. Whilst buying programmatically with ad networks allows campaigns to scale and widen reach. It is important that we strike a balance between acquiring quality users and a high number of users. A few things to keep in mind before launching campaigns are tracking. Ensure that you have a tracking solution to monitor events from the point of receiving ads, installation and in-app events in order to effectively optimize the campaigns and push users through the conversion funnel. Also, fraud. Unfortunately, fraud is an industry-wide problem that we know exists in the acquisition space. Click fraud and attribution gaming, for example, is something that we can monitor and minimize throughout campaigns. And for the fun stuff, ensure that your creators are tailored and specific and suitable to use across a number of different platforms. Make sure you understand your creator specifications. And last but not least, ensure that you test your campaigns to ensure that tracking has been implemented correctly. So that's all from me guys. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment below, and be sure to check out our videos in the Mastering Mobile Marketing series. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.